Now, when you're inspecting conformal coating materials and you're using UV lights, inevitably there will be a variation across the surface of the printed circuit board, unless of course you've got a very good UV source which covers the complete area you're working in. If you're using a torch or a small source, then certainly you will see variation in the colours on the surface of the board. Now, the UV fluorescence can change, of course, in a conformal coating material. You can get conformal coating materials which don't have any UV fluorescing agent within them, and these are sometimes used when companies are conformally coating LED boards, so it doesn't affect the operation or the specification of the component. Now, if you look at a printed circuit board and you look closely at area array packages, bottom mounted termination packages, in fact SO packages even, you might often see that the colour, the fluorescence around these packages is completely different than the surface of the printed circuit board. And the reason for that is sometimes wicking. If you coat a board with coating, what can happen is capillary, and the conformal coating material is literally drawn or sucked underneath the package. So although you've still got a thin coating around the periphery of the package, it is thin because it's all been sucked underneath the package. And this has been demonstrated with a video I produced a few years ago.